Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Toyota Sienna. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a new timing belt kit. Safety is key, so disconnect your battery and drain the coolant. Then, carefully remove the accessory belts and any engine covers that block access to the timing belt area. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. You'll need to support the engine properly before removing the passenger side engine mount. Next, take off the crankshaft pulley and the lower timing belt cover. This reveals the belt. It's crucial to align the crankshaft and camshaft timing marks perfectly before proceeding to the next step. With the marks aligned, you can now loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully remove the old belt. Take your time installing the new timing belt, making sure those critical timing marks stay perfectly aligned. Once the new belt is in place, reinstall the tensioner and torque it to the manufacturer's exact specifications for proper operation. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Put all the covers back on, reinstall the engine mount, and attach the accessory belts. Don't forget to refill your coolant and reconnect the battery. Once everything is secure, start the engine. Listen for any unusual noises and check for any leaks to confirm a successful timing belt replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.